Okay, hi everyone, you're welcome to today's edition of Let's Educate Each Other. First of all, I want to say happy Easter to you all, and I hope you guys are having fun. Hope you guys are enjoying your celebration. Remember, we are celebrating Jesus and nothing else but his resurrection from death, okay? So I want to say a very big happy Easter to each and every one of you. So welcome to today's edition. Like before I go on, before I go on, I would like to make this simple announcement. Please, now today's edition is going to be a little bit short because my internet, like I told you guys, I subscribe for my internet, and today I'm going to be off quickly because the internet is not that much for today. So I promise I'll be back on Wednesday with the full package. Okay, so today's topic, as you guys have seen it already, I posted it, but in case if you don't know, you can still ask me and I will make it known to you all. So let's do it as normally do it every Wednesday and Sunday. And today's edition is another wonderful edition that everybody would like to contribute in, and today's topic is somehow amazing. Okay, and today is Sunday, so you're welcome once again to this program. Remember, like I said to you guys, that first of next month, which is May, we are having our first guest that is going to be teaching us on the area that we know that we are not too perfect. Understand? He's my mentor. He have taught a lot of things that I've learned from, okay, and he's a pastor, okay. So his name is Reverend Dr. Pastor Precious Osadege. So he will be the one that will be talking to us that very day. He's going to be our first guest on this program. So don't miss out. Don't be told about that program. I'll be inviting him on this program that very day. So please keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, keep on telling them that the program has started today and we have a limited time for today. Okay, so I'm so sorry, but at least no matter what we go, we must do it. No matter how it is, we must do justice to today's topic. So today's topic we are going to be discussing come all the way from Spain. One of our listeners from Spain sent the topic all the way from Spain. So we are going to be doing justice to it today. So please keep on sharing the program. Tell your friends. Everybody can call in now, and I'm not going to take much of your time to explain. Just call in now. We'll start the program off because you have limited time. In case things go off, know that my internet has just finished. But on Wednesday, I promise I'm going to come with the full package. Okay. So today's topic is it a crime for a Christian to marry a Muslim? Let me repeat it. The number one topic is it a crime for a Christian to marry a Muslim? That's number one topic. Then the second topic is why are we forming for each other when we know that we didn't come with flight to this country? When we see our fellow Nigerians, we'll be forming as if we know the shit for us. You understand? So please, let's just, that is the topic that come all the way from Spain. I know that the person that sent this topic is right there watching this program. Okay, he's right there watching this program. So you call in now and make your own contribution. Make your own contribution and also comment. Let's see how it's going to be today. The two topics still remains: is it a crime for a Christian to marry a Muslim, or is it a crime for a Muslim to marry a Christian? You understand? Perhaps today is Sunday. I think it's a very nice topic that fall in today's what we have today. So, and also, why are we Nigerians finding it so difficult to talk to each other, forming for ourselves in this country called Europe? Especially we here in Europe, we form, being knowing that to all of us know the route, know the process we passed through before coming to this country, and we see each other, we can't even greet or we can't even associate ourselves with our people. So that's just the topic for today. So for that, let me quickly go back to the comment box. But before I go there, please let me still make the announcement. I'm so sorry that we're going to have a little time today. We're going to have a brief time on this program today, just because of internet issues, but all still the same. I promise on Wednesday it's not going to continue this way. You guys know how we normally do it. So please just send in your contribution, and also remember that on 1st of May, which is Wednesday, I've checked the date, is on Wednesday, we are going to have our first guest, which is Pastor Precious Osadege. Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege will be the one ministering to us that day. We're the one to be teaching us that very day. He's going to be our first guest on this program. So please keep the date. Tell your friends to keep a date with us that very day. You're going to learn a lot of things from him. He's a man of God. He's a life coach. He have traveled so many places in this work, in this gospel of a thing, and he knows how to, coach and teach you, and you will know what you don't know before. So please put down your questions, put down what you want to know. That very day you are free to ask him, and he will reply you the way you will understand. So please keep on sharing the program. I will repeat, this program today will not going to last until 12 midnight. We're going to be doing it anywhere that it stops. Please know that the internet has just finished, that we'll continue on Wednesday. But for me not to disappoint you guys, that's why I started exactly 9 o'clock, so that we have time to contribute and also share our own ideas to each other. So once again, happy Sunday to you all, and happy Easter celebration to every one of you out there. I hope you're celebrating Christ, not the other way around. If you want to drink responsibly, okay? Remember, you have people to take care of, okay? So that's how it is. So thank you. Let me quickly go to the comment box and let's continue. In case you want to ask anything, in case you don't know the topic, you can ask me, or you can ask anything you want to ask, so we can be able to respond to you. So keep on sharing the program. Let us move ahead. Okay, this one is coming from Deborah. Deborah said hi. Okay, this one is coming from John Paul. He said, hi guys, good evening. Okay, you're welcome to the program, John Paul. This one is coming from Femi. Femi said, good evening, man. Okay, you're welcome to the program. So remember, the line is always open and everything is working perfectly today. So you can call in. Who's going to be the first caller for today? Who's going to be the luckiest person to be the first caller today? Let's see who's going to be. Okay, this one is coming from S.A. Anderson. S.A. Anderson said, good evening. Okay, good evening. You're welcome to the program. You're welcome to the house. Okay, he also said, happy Easter. The same to you, my brother. I wish you all the best, okay? Remember, we are celebrating Jesus and not the other way around, okay? I wish you all the best. So who's going to be the first caller for today? Let's do this topic that come all the way from Spain, because once the topic comes, I will say where it comes from, but I will not say the person's name that sent it. But believe me, the topic is coming all the way from Spain. So who's going to be the luckiest person to be the first caller in this program? Let's see who's going to be. Okay, this one is coming from Senna Gianfranco. He said, hola, atendos, bien. This one is Spanish language. I hear this one, understand? So, hola, bien. Atendos. Then you respond to me. I don't speak the one I know, no verse. Now the one that was a bit rich. I don't want to know rich, now you speak so who's gonna be who is gonna be the first lucky caller on this program today? The line is open, the comment box is there, always waiting for you guys. So please keep on sharing the program, and remember that, like I said before, that our program today is gonna be a limited one. Whenever it stops, know that the internet has finished. But I promise on Wednesday it's not going to be this way. It's going to be in a full package. We normally do from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So today it might end 10, it might end 11. So I don't know the actual time, but when it ends, that's how we can be able to hold on today. But remember, the topic we are discussing today is it a crime or is it bad for a Christian to marry a Muslim? Or is it a crime or is it a taboo for a Muslim to marry a Christian? That's number one question. That's number one topic. Then the second topic is this: why are we forming for each other in this country where we know we are coming from the same place? So just share your own contribution and your own view with us. Let's see how it's gonna be. So the line is still open. Let's see who's gonna be the lucky caller, the first caller for today. Share the program. Tell your friends that you already started. And I know that the person that sent this message, that sent this topic all the way from Spain, is watching. I know, even if he's not watching, she's gonna join us, because she's a she, not a he now. Okay, she's gonna join us any moment from now, or once she got the notification that I'm on live now for the program. I believe she will join us immediately then, so she can hear what people have to say about her topic, and she can also contribute as well. So let's keep on doing it the way we do it. Okay, this one is coming from John Paul. I told you we're not going to waste much time in talking today. Just as you send it, I'll read it out, and if you call, we'll bring it to the camera. You make your own view and your own your own opinion. Okay, this one's coming from John Paul. He said it's good for a Christian to get married to a Muslim. The problem we have is just that we are after religious. Okay, you guys have said it. From this one is coming all the way from John. It's coming from John Paul. He said the problem we have with Christian marrying a Muslim or a Muslim marrying a Christian is because of religious issues. Understand? So for me, marrying a Christian or marrying a Muslim, it doesn't matter. For me, it's equal. We are all equal in the presence of God. Forget that we are here in this planet Earth. People are deceiving each other with Christian, Muslim. We all are serving the same God. That's what I believe. Wherever you find your love, wherever you find who God have, put together for you, whether it's a Muslim or is a Christian, the most important thing there is there love and understanding. If you can understand each other and you can live in peace, my dear, go ahead and marry whoever you want to marry. That's my own opinion. As a presenter, I have to contribute to what you are discussing. Let it not just be as if you guys are the only one contributing. No. So I repeat, whether Muslim or Christian, you have rights. You have every right to marry who you chooses to marry. Sometimes they say that na family they marry. They might use person they call. No verse. We go speak small broken today. Speak English. Anyone I go Django. Okay. So we are having the first caller for today. Maybe in a short while it will connect. Maybe his network is having. Okay. Wow. We have our first caller in the building today. Wow. My brother, you are so lucky to be the first caller in the building.
Happy Easter.
You're welcome. I wish you all the best, my brother. How you been now?
We thank God though.
Okay, so do justice to the program because we have a limited time. So just say
okay,
we'll do the program. So
man,
we know that I don't end for
the Christian and the Muslim, if not taboo. Okay. Bros, first of all, we ask ourselves, what it be Christian, what it be Muslim? And the same thing that is the same God that is serve. It's just that the way they know their God be that one. Bros, in this life of this Muslim, they get love.
Yes.
For their self pass with the Christian. We call ourselves Christian.
Sure. Yeah. That's true.
I don't follow many Muslims stay. The way they treat themselves. Problem we get the bros. We don't get problem saying they worship another God. Not another God they worship. They worship God who they worship. They worship.
But in a different way.
In a different way. So our problem is just that now what they worry in Nigeria, our whole Africa as a whole, they depends on their religion. Everything they do on religion. As a Christian, you won't get married to a Muslim man. At least there's what we call agreement.
Yeah.
There's what we call agreement. We make agreement, see the kind of person where I be Christian. I not see you be Muslim.
Yeah.
But if you follow me, worship God. And the person will like you go follow you. And depending how you take talk, how you take do things.
Yeah.
So, bros, I'm not saying anything wrong with that one, no, bros. Like, same way Muslim married to, bros. If you don't go follow Allah, if you don't go follow their pray once, if you follow their pray, bros, if you go follow their pray for their mosque, you go listen to the same God where they serve, they serve.
Sure.
You go follow their pray, you listen to the same God where they serve. Okay. So, bros, there's nothing wrong with a Christian marrying a Muslim or a Muslim married to a Christian. There's nothing wrong. We are all human.
Okay. What was the second topic? What do you have to say about that one?
Bros.
No, you don't say they happen now. It happen for us here.
Bros, it did not say not they happen. It happen. We dey form for each other. Say now, to say we dey outside country or we dey uptown. We dey Nigeria. Who born you where? I mean, what the form be. I'm not going to throw it for corner. I mean, what the form be. But even for Facebook, we say you go send I give person. The person go dey ask you, "Come be you?" Wetin happen? Now me you call the. I mean, you call the form for.
How to get my username?
I mean, because you dey wear one cloth of cheap article. We the order for which I be AliExpress. Now you call the form the give person. Bros, now just the character. Bros, what you make the character be that one not be seen at the day. Now just character, bros. You know, go see your fellow black. We'll be seeing at the same country that we come from. That's why if you see most people where you are from, come from Edo State. Which Edo State? If they ask me for class, I'm from Nigeria, Delta State. That Nigeria go did them from because I'm from Edo State. I'm from Igba from Hausa, from Delta, from all these things. No, bros, na character, bros. That one we did na character.
Okay.
That one not there our blood.
Okay. So that one a personal issue.
Na personal issue. Na just character.
But it's not good now.
It's not good, bro. You
That's
see
not
fellow
good.
black, you dey form for her. What you want from give? Have you seen one call toast you? Have you one call ask you for money or one? We know what you call fight for you.
Yeah.
That is the truth, bro. Saying.
Okay, there's no problem. Thank you for that wonderful contribution.
Thank God,
so I hope you stay back and hear.
I don't cook if the network finish. I don't talk my own. No.
Okay, now that's good. You don't really your head come out. And I may stay back, may hear from other people as well.
Okay,
now.
bro.
Okay, that's from John Paul. He said he doesn't see anything wrong with religion of a thing. If the person agrees with you, go ahead and marry who you want to marry. That's no problem. Okay. And in terms of the second topic, he said forming is just a personal thing. It depends on the person's character, how he wants to do his thing. So that's the one that comes from John Paul. So like I said, we are going to have a limited time, so you have all the time to call now. Whenever you see the network goes off, that's how the program will end for today. But I promise on Wednesday it's not going to be like that. So in case you don't know the topic, you can call in for me to explain the topic for you, or you can ask me, I will explain that to you. So let me quickly read the comment, because I don't want in a situation whereby at the end of the program some people will be calling me, say I don't read their comments. Send it now that we are still online. I will read it and people will hear what you have to say. Okay, this one is coming from Selena J and Franco. Said he just laugh, ha 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 ha. Okay, this one is coming from Lovely Blue. Lovely Blue said, okay, we have another caller in the building. Lovely Blue said, happy Easter. I wish you all the best, my sister. This one coming from Lovely Blue. I said, I don't understand though. Tell me what you didn't understand. Tell me, I will explain for you. I'm here to serve you guys. Okay, hello. You're welcome, sister.
Happy Easter.
Hello. I wish you all the best, my sister. That's a fresh like today bread. You're welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Okay. I hope you know the topic we are discussing today.
What?
I hope you know the topic we are discussing today. The topic we are discussing today.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's hear from you.
What's his name? The first caller said it all. Concerning that, getting married to a Muslim man or non-Muslim man. It's your choice. Me, I'm ready to get married to a Muslim man. It's your choice.
Okay.
Muslim or non-Muslim, we're all serving the same God. Like he said, they even have love for themselves more than we Christians. They respect themselves more than we Christians. It's their belief. We are all serving one God. They believe in that God in their own way. Christians believe in God in their own different way. So we are all serving one God, be it Muslim or non-Muslim. There's nothing wrong with getting married to a Muslim man. That's my opinion. And if you talk about forming or not forming, me, I don't know if somebody is forming or not forming. Like what he said, is their choice, is their character. But you doing forming canoe soap whenever I will form soda finish is nonsense.
Say canoe soap whenever form soda finish.
Exactly. Why are you forming?
I don't hear that. I hear that one.
That one is nonsense, Jerry. I beg. In fact, Muslims are the best. They are the best. They love themselves. We that call ourselves Christians. When you see your fellow Christian like this, you pass that person as if nothing is happening. You just pass. Even when he's saying hi, self, you can't even say hi. Just look at it. You are forming canoe soap, like I said. You have not finished forming soda, it's canoe soap. The kind of love Muslims they have for themselves, we Christians, we are never up to 50% of it. We are not. You see them in this Europe, the way they behave, so you even think they are from the same mother, the same father, but they are just friends. Which I try Nigeria now. You try Nigeria person. Got a tight yash for you. Come on. My God. I beg. They are the best. To me, they are the best. Anywhere you find your love, that's where you rely on. Don't say because he's a Muslim, you're not going to love him, or because he's not from your country. Like I told you the other day, did God say must you marry your country person? It's not written in the Bible. It's not written in the Bible.
Yeah.
Neither is it written in anywhere. So, Muslim or no Muslim, we are all humans.
Okay.
We are all serving
Okay.
one God. So, that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for joining us. Just stay behind and hear from other people as well.
Yeah.
So you're welcome to the program. Okay, let's have another caller in the building because we are having so many callers already. Okay, this one is coming from, okay, I've already read the text before. It said, I don't understand, okay? You have another caller in the building, maybe in a few minutes to connect. Okay, please, the comment box is still there open for you to comment or send in your own opinion or your own idea for the program. And keep on sharing it because, like I said, we have a limited time for today's program. Oh, you're welcome to the program, my sister.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Oh,
Evening. Oh, you say you're laughing. Everywhere people see this is your boss laugh.
Abego. I don't
You're
understand the
welcome.
question. I do. Happy Easter.
I wish you all the best. I hope you cook rice today. Normal thing.
I don't understand question. Which question we don't?
Okay, but I hope you cook rice for Easter now.
I don't even eat rice for Easter now. Pandemic and egusi I dey eat.
Oh, my oh my! I can afford my own come, I beg. No, my best there I just cook so. Look on the beat my baby there. Okay, it seems like our network is somehow bad. Let's go to the comment box. Okay, she's back. Okay, let me. Hello. Oh, hello. Can you hear me now? Hello. 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 Please call back. We would love to hear your own opinion. Okay, this was coming from Miss Grace. Miss Grace said, "My good people in the house, who na good evening. Okay, una good evening, yo. You're welcome to the program." And this one is coming from Senaja and Franco. Said, "This one where this babe they laugh so I don't understand though. I better help me ask her. When she explain the laugh, when she they laugh for us because if I say our own contribution, na fire, na bomb as I dey see am. Now I beg call back. May we hear that. What make you the laugh? I beg. We go like hear your own opinion. Call us back and let's hear your own opinion. Thank you so much. So the comment box is still open. The calling line is always there waiting for you to call in. Like I said, we're gonna have a limited time today. So whenever you see the program finishes or ends, that's how long we can be able to take for today because of internet issues. But that's not that much problem. We're gonna fix it up by on Wednesday. I'll be subscribing before Wednesday, so I'll give you the full package on Wednesday. So don't worry, be happy. Feel free to send in your own opinion. I'm here to serve you. You know, I'm here at your service every minute, every moment, anytime, anywhere. So remember, the presenter is no other person than Chris Nkume. I do this every Wednesday and Sunday in order to make sure that we are showing love and we learn from each other as well. So please send in your comments, keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends. Let's do justice to the topic we are dealing on today because I believe that so many of us need to learn from this because they always carry religion for head. Even in that our Christendom say, let's leave Muslim apart. Let's just be realistic today. Let's just put the Muslim apart. Let's just talk to ourselves, we Christian. Even in that Christendom, say we'll call ourselves Christian. You hardly see, okay, we have another caller in the building. You hardly see an Anglican man self to marry a Methodist person. Problem was there. A Catholic man to marry Assemblies of God. Problem. You're welcome to the program, my brother. Good evening.
I greet you, bros. How you side?
I greet you, pass. I greet you. Hello. Welcome to the program.
Everywhere gush, everywhere pepper soup. The whole that.
Everywhere. I many people say, "What I not go enter my eye? I beg go back over."
No, it not go enter. Don't go enter.
I beg. I no enter my eye. I beg.
Okay, let's go for the first question. Say, Muslim and Christian. You understand?
Yes.
So we are human beings. God created every one of us. You understand?
Yes.
So according to one of my music that they played there, he say God just created the world. And this one come say in India, this one Canada, this one European, this one Nigeria, this one Liberia. You understand? So everybody now get a own personal part of the world. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you come to Muslim, there is one thing Muslims don't have. They don't have forgiving heart.
Okay.
Yeah. For their religion, they are very nice. You understand? They love their fellow brother, but when it comes to mess up, they don't have forgiving heart. They can never let you forgive you. Yes. But Christian, we always say, this my brother is still alive. Let's forgive him and take him back home.
Okay.
You understand? So most of us we did the way they wash us, way they wash each other. So by put like that, all of us will they watch each other, we understand. Say man, Muslim will not Muslim not forgive. You understand? If they vex, they don't vex.
Okay.
But Christian can easily forgive you and pray for you to repent, not to do it again. So Muslim not get first track. Say okay, so let's do this, I will forgive you. But next time not do it again. They not get. But that is why if they want to do something for you, they will do the thing at the rightful way. And there is nothing like this. But if you offend them, you are a problem.
Yeah, the point is, can you marry a Muslim girl?
No, I cannot marry a Muslim girl because he will not like my attitude. She will not like my attitude.
Okay.
Yeah, I cannot feel marry her. Understand? But they are very straightforward. But due to the way where you be saying, you do your own personal thing. Maybe they not they do their own like that. You understand? So the thief you get command left and right. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Okay. What about the second topic? What do you have to say?
What is the second issue?
The second issue be say why be say we dey form for each other for this Europe side where we just did, and we will not say the route. We will say now we pass. Form.
I know your this is skip.
Okay, I said na network. You know, say I say we no get enough internet today. I just move the program. Anyway,
bro, that you come today with this style, or you come today, or you come that day with another style. So continue more the talk they go now before another person come.
So, so the thing be say why be say we dey form for each other for this Europe side though they both the whole Europe country we see ourselves we dey form for each other. Why it be like that? No, we don't say all of us.
Bros, okay, where your first answer you first. If you ask me, who I want to ask?
If you ask me,
who I want to ask? You understand? You know, they say this life of a thing, they say that no person, that they keep person. You understand? So some things they will be saying, man. That's why it good at times. It good at times, everybody got to shut up in mouth. Not be anything where your man talk. Not be everything where enter your mind, how your man go pronounce. You get some kind of words where your man go pronounce. If you pronounce and come out, you are in trouble. You know if you know. You understand? So not be we create am. Our great grandfather we don't call this country, they don't create am down. You understand? Sometimes maybe if you even come with style, say maybe now your papa help you or now your mama help you. You go say how you go say no, not talk to this guy, not talk to this person. You understand? So the question this somehow, to the best of my knowledge, I just reason I say, man, at times you may talk to your fellow brother, it may be problem for you.
Yeah.
So everybody got to avoid the self, So you avoid this side. But that one I just normative, bros. So if I like you, I go deal with you. But if I don't like you, it just be like at times if they walk out they go now, maybe you see white woman for those say hello, you go say nine. You go say not talk that thing again. You understand? That's what it be for black. You get some black where you greet, he not go answer you.
That's so sure.
You understand? So that one I just normative, bros. We'll leave all those they say they don't greet person. Because if I greet you, I don't benefit anything. If I not greet you, you not benefit anything. So what is the need of the greeting? You understand? If just for instance now, you dey waka dey go for road now, you can't go meet maybe you can't see woman for road, you greet her. Maybe you want greet her as normal as a black to black, because you get some place where you see black, you they happy to greet her.
Yes.
You greet her, you know answer you. So now you left. You know go fit question her. You know go fit answer her anything. You understand? If you know answer you, leave her. If you answer you, go ahead. So now it doesn't see, bro. Everywhere good,
okay, yeah, no problem. Thank you for that wonderful contribution. All the people that are watching have already learned one or two things from you.
But I hope you stay logo.
I just share now because now internet go decide. You understand? So anyway, if you cannot reach 10, if you cannot reach 11,
I mean, I can borrow you internet now. Again,
transfer for Bluetooth come. Transfer for Bluetooth come. You enjoy. See how you do your.
I get enough for bros.
You know all now. Yeah, everywhere good now.
If
Enjoy your Easter.
If I think get waiting, I'll still talk. I'll still come.
No problem. Call. The line is always free for you to call.
Okay, I greet you, bros.
Okay, now no all. From SA, all the way from all the way from SA. SA have just spoken to us now. Okay, let me just quickly go to the comment box and continue. This one is coming from Mr. Grace. Mr. Grace said, "Ask me." If you ask me, now who I go ask? Okay, ma ask Mr. Grace. Okay, what on the form now? What on the form me? Make you answer me. What on the form me? I don't ask you, Mr. Grace. This is coming from Osa VB or SAS. Osa VB or SAS. This one he said, do I know? My brother, don't finish work. Do I know? Okay, have another call in the building, please. Hello.
I said the same place we called before.
Okay. Carry on.
Bro, Susian, I want to talk some word about that formish stuff. If you look at my bros, so not be forming, no. Because if you look at when you say there's a difference between to avoid person.
Yes.
And to form. You feel the person today when you say you will talk to, for your mind you will say they form, but on you, they avoid you.
Yes.
So most of us will think say,
you make sense.
Most of us will say this best to the form. Not be say they form or I they form. Maybe now for me to avoid you, because maybe if I call they give you some attention now, you go feel some kind of things will be say me and you not go feel so.
Yeah.
So if they look at to that way say now form, mostly they look at to the other way say maybe this person just they avoid me for some kind of things, some kind of reason will be say on his own. I don't know if you understand.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe just to avoid some kind of things. Yeah.
Oh no, you have a point there. So thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. My mind not even reach there, self. Now I can say this program they help each other. We will learn one or two things.
Okay, now.
Thank you so much. I hope you stay back and hear from other people as well. So you guys have also heard it from Mr. John Paul. He called before and he recorded back again and said maybe they are not forming, just that they are trying to avoid some certain issue, because they said, as I normally use parable to talk, they said if big man masquerade to stay for stage, small masquerade go dey pour and sand, tell and say, hey, come out. They know we use the man tell and say, hey, come out. But the way they tell the pour and sand, I go let them know say they don't want them for that stage again. So what am I trying to say is that sometimes not be forming, sometimes they have looked at that person. You know some you get some people say we all see. First of all, you all see the person. Your spirit know go along with the person. And you go try and make you avoid the person. Okay. We have another caller in the building. Hello, good evening, man.
Hello, bros. Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the program. Happy Sunday and happy Easter.
I wish you the same.
I beg, I hope you cook rice for us, Abi.
every day na New Year, every day na Christmas, every day na Easter for Europe.
Confirm, so the pass come up for this program now. They come your house, man, come chop Easter rice.
Thank you. Concerning the forming issue.
Okay.
That forming issue, that don't even see happen to me. I see one girl when I know.
If you see your face, I beg no verse. If you can't think, come down small.
I see one girl when I know. See my village, see in village. Based on say, I don't know say don't dey Europe. I see her for Ministry train station. Half a babe, how you dey? This guy go dey form like person wey no know me. I thought they even dey speak our language for now. If they use English, then they reply me. How does they see me see this girl? You know they hear our language again. He say, he never reach a year wey comot for village. If they ask me, say, you know, to hear the language. That's a no verse. I just waka pass am. When never spend 6 months for Europe. They form, I they speak our language online. They use English, then they reply me.
You know, see.
I don't know. Some of the girls in our village they for carry them come Europe. They can't reach there. They can't be like one time big man picking for Nigeria. Wait, be say even when they did Nigeria self, now pick toilet now they use. They can't form like person way not the shit.
Now this one upgraded forming.
Wallahi, this thing, now 2 times even happened to me. I see one for camp, new camp where the new carry me go. If they pass me. When one of my brother always sit there the camp, call and say, you don't know this guy. He say, hi sister, I don't know say na you just change. For me, because say you enter Europe before me. All these things, some they buy, they do. Why some not be their fault to avoid problem? Why some for me na their hobby? If they wear some kind shoe now, they feel say you sef, you know if you buy
am. No only that they do Gucci style. Only they customize them with their name.
Yes. If you wear Chinese, now that go wear Maka. You wear Maka. You don't turn. You come the form. Like say, even that day, if I to buy that clothes, they enter club the next day. Make them for the notice, and that's no good.
No, you lie. So what do you have to say about the first topic, Enko?
Christian and Muslim, when there is love, they can marry each other.
Confirm. Bagam.
If the man are Muslim, the man fit make the woman turn to Muslim. If the man are Christian, the man fit turn the girl, may become a Christian.
Yeah. As long as there's love and understanding,
yes.
Right?
When there is love, you can change everything. Even Christian and Muslim, nobody bring and come from heaven. Now when we reach life, now we come begin to see Christian and Muslim.
No, even people now deceive us like this, so even people deceive us with this Christian Muslim of 18.
And the way we take put on for head, now even this Muslim and Christian of 18, the rest country they not put on for head like we were with Nigeria, we put on for head.
I tell you, the thing just weak me. The thing weak me. So no, Walana, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope you stay behind and hear from other people as well. Yeah, and they can't chop my rice, so I don't know where they stay, but I can't chop my rice. Okay, that one, sister just said it all. Okay, please, in case you are calling again, please let us know your name. It's okay for us, at least to know who is talking to us, okay? As you can see, if I'm reading the comments, I'll always put the person's name to know who is writing and her own opinion. So remember, the line is always open. This one is coming from Miss Grace. She said, I disagree with you, Paul, okay? This one is coming, but please, whether you disagree or you agree, it depends. That's his own opinion, okay? You don't have to disagree. Because person wake up, they say he use one hand for 20-story building. You go tell and say a lie. The dream, now your dream. Now if you're not a dreamer, so you know if you tell and say you disagree. That one is your own idea. So even though they say 400-story building, you just do character, 100-story building just for. You clap for and tell and say, well done, bro. You do well. I hope say no key person. Fine, because when they dream the dream, you know they're there. The dream now in dream, not be your dream. So thank you, sister, for that contribution. This one coming from Senator Jen Franco. He said, I don't think he's avoiding. That is a jealousy, okay? That's your own idea. Then this one coming from Miss Grace. Miss Grace said the farming in Europe is too much, okay? So please, no cut according to our size. We don't form that too much again. No, thank you. We are doing this program today just to correct that mistake. Please, if you see your fellow Nigerian, big boy, big girl, you know they move any help for you, but you say, sister, how you be now? Or brother, how far now? You don't tell how everything they go. I hope everywhere good. I will go. Okay. Understand? Our brother, sister, greet you. We don't just exchange greeting. No mean say you can't collect what you won't collect what you wear for brother, you can't collect your babe or your wife or your children. No. Just let's show brotherly love. Like one of our callers said that even the Muslims they show more love more than we that call ourselves Christians. So what are we not talking? What are we talking about? So please let's spread this love. Okay, we have another caller in the building. No, we're going to be doing more caller and more this because we have limited time today. So whenever you see the call ends, the chat and know that we call it a day for today. We continue on Wednesday. See you there. Hey, bro, welcome to this program today.
Good evening, bro. My name is Osario Osas.
Okay, Osas, you're welcome to the program to today's edition. I always like your contribution, so hit me. Oh, why now? What is happening?
I don't know.
Okay, you're welcome back.
All right. Concerning the first contribution, Muslim and Christian, they can marry.
Okay.
It depends on you. You understand?
It's a personal choice.
It's a personal choice. If I'm a Christian, I see a Muslim guy will get married to her. Definitely, she will convert to be a Christian.
Yes.
Or she can still worship where she worships.
Yeah.
You understand? She should not use her own to disturb me. I will not use her own to disturb the other. That's it.
Pure. 50-50.
Yeah, normal. So, for the other side, guests are forming from each other. Not only guests. Even we guys.
Even we boys, they do it.
You know, there's one thing, there is not everybody that is welcome to your life.
Yes.
You understand? There are some people you get close to. They will want to know more about you and bring you down.
Okay.
In this life, there is somebody that is closer to you that can hit you in the place that pains you most.
Yeah, I think you are making sense. You are right.
You understand? If you see somebody like this, our sister and I that contribute, say you saw somebody way back home, saw her in Europe, salute her, she refused. Fine, we have come across those things in Europe here. One most important, if you greet her, she refuses you. As a Christian that you are, keep on greeting her. You understand? But if she refuses, no problem. God knows you have. One day, if you are a good person to her, advice they get from their parents. Their parents will tell them, as well, you focus in money, just bring Euro to Nigeria. So their mindset, what they are thinking about, is not what you are thinking.
Yes.
You understand? Different people, it's not what brought me to Europe that brought you to Europe.
Yeah,
you understand?
That's true.
There are some girls here, they have a lot of family. So they need to take care of their family. By the way, they are going somewhere, you are calling them. You understand? But if you calm down and see them one-on-one, talk to them, I was the one greeting you that they are very sorry. Even sometimes it's not even good to greet anybody you know.
Yeah.
Because you don't know if the police is tracing that person.
That
you understand? You greet the person just shake you, and you are still involved. It's Europe, bro. Just let them go. You understand?
Yes.
If the person did not greet you, no problem. Go. So far you wish well for your neighbor, and your neighbor will wish well for you. Let us pray for each other. We are all brothers, because we blacks in Europe, I notice one thing. We don't love each other if we are alive. But if we hear that one of our blood is dead, maybe we lost one black person in Europe, everybody will, oh, they all killed that Nigerian guy. On the burial day, everybody will come out in mass to bury. But when that person was alive, you understand? When that person was alive in Europe, you did not show love.
Yeah.
So that's just it. Let us just wish ourselves good.
Okay.
You see the way we are following you up in your program, it makes you to grow. And people will recognize you. That is assistance to you.
Yes.
Bring out your best, and people will encourage you. If you decide to sleep at home, people will leave you. So that's just it. Let's pray for each other and wish each other good. You understand? Happy Easter.
I wish you all the best, my brother. That's why I say I always love your contribution. I always learn a lot from your contribution.
Thank you, bros.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
All
just stay
right.
behind and hear from other people as well. Thank
No
you so
problem,
much.
bro.
Yeah. Please, I have something to tell you.
Yeah.
Please join us on 1st of May, which is on Wednesday. I'm inviting a guest speaker to this program that will be speaking to us. You understand?
Okay.
He's my mentor. He has taught me a lot of things I'm doing today. So I would like him to also speak to us for us to learn as well. So please don't miss that program that very day. It's on Wednesday.
Problem. No problem.
Now, thank you so much. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, pass it across with your friends now.
Okay.
Okay, this one just come from Osas. He just made a wonderful contribution to us. So please, let's help one another. Let's love one another, okay? Like he just made a reference to one example. He said, here in Europe, we don't show love to each other. You see someone that you'll be seeing that person always, you won't even try to greet that person, you won't even try to show love. But once you hear that person is dead, you'll be posting pictures, you'll say, I love this one. But when that person is alive, you do not show those love to him. So please, let's recall our memories back. Let's recall our brotherly love back, okay? Let's show love to our brothers and sisters. We are one. We are coming from the same direction. Now the same flight, now the same airport, all of us go still land. Now the same corner, all of us go see enter. Last. So we'll just take and say we'll be one. So may I quickly read message before other caller come in. Okay, this was coming from John Paul. He said, my sister in the Lord, you don't need to. I love you doesn't mean I like you, okay? This one coming from Miss Grace. Miss Grace said, and we all come to Europe through Libya. This one coming from General Frank. He said, that's why I said they are forming canoe soap when they never fit form a soda, okay? Now I like that slang, so it makes sense. I don't learn that one today. Miss Grace said, thank you, my sister, okay? Then Senator Franco said, Baba, thank you, okay? This one's coming from Senator Franco. Okay, he said, babe, thank you. This one's coming from Senator. Say, you get swag, babe, okay? We'll bring another color to the program, okay? This one's coming from Miss Grace. Said, those forming girls are the ones standing on the road. Okay, you're welcome back to the program.
Bros, what I agree with you. I had to do with my brother that called last now.
Okay.
Yeah. Because where I disagree with her is say if you marry to Christian Muslim, it's the same thing. No, it's not possible. You understand?
But so remember, wait, sorry, I cut word for your mouth. But remember that one, his own idea, his own opinion.
No, bros, not receive that. Me and my brother, no level, everywhere good.
Okay.
So I disagree with
man, no,
we not. No, me and we not feel correct. So my brother, we have to disagree with you. You just say maybe this Christian married to Muslim, everybody can be depart, go to Christianity, go to Muslim side, all those kind of things. No, my brother, I don't work like that. You understand? Only way I go for work. If you marry, you should be the one to decide for your wife. Say, yes, babe, this is what I want to belong. You understand? So you not believe me, say, man, woman go fit carry you to her side. So you are the man to carry the woman along.
To your side, okay.
So now so marriage of a thing be. You know that, sir. So you know if you say that's okay, you dey eat ogbolo, your wife want convert you to egusi soup. It's not possible like that now. So now where all of us they get her wrong. You understand? You see some kind of girls will be saying there, he like fancy things. You see some kind of girls will be saying there, he want just deal with the one way deal with her. You understand?
Yeah.
So once you marry, your wife they go Allah Warabao. Then you they go this thing. So it's just be like the marriage now more you see, more do things, more talk, more live. Yeah. You understand? There is no love there.
Okay.
So I just use that. It's very right for in comment, but that marriage of it is not right.
You disagree?
How you come marry? My wife go they go Muslim, the me they go Christian. If we call us, he go carry Bible, the other one carry Quran. No. No. Honestly speaking, bro, it's not possible now, be.
Yeah. No, your word makes sense.
Yes, it's not possible. So if I carry Bible, then you take Bible. We read together. Anywhere we find love, after we don't read everything finish, then we hug each other together. You understand? The guy is very correct, but that love of it here, you not go more they live each other. We need to belong to one side. Once you are married, you belong to one side. My wife will dress in the morning, we go church together. Waiting we preach, we learn together. So we always learning. You understand? Nobody is perfect. That's just it. You understand?
Okay, thank you very much.
I think the so much. If anybody call, Osas bro, I greet you.
No, I never agree. Okay, this is coming from Boss Friday. Boss say hi, and Friday Boss said, "Good evening, sir. Okay, you're welcome to the program for today." And this one is coming from Miss Gray. Said, "I love this caller." Okay, thank you for that. We have another caller in the building. Let me quickly bring the person up because we want to do a lot of calling today. Okay. This one is coming from Prince Gabike. He said, "Sup, okay, everywhere clear, everywhere suburb, everywhere too." Okay, we are still hoping the caller will connect very soon. This one is coming from Osa said, "Okay, welcome to the program."
Hello, bro.
Yeah, welcome to the program.
Starbucks from Jamie.
Yeah, you're welcome to the program. I don't taste more.
See me, I just the follow man of God online. That is the reason why.
Okay, there's no problem. You're welcome to the program today.
I called it to what my brother just said. Immediately you don't marry a Muslim woman, you are no longer a Christian anymore. The woman,
how?
The woman, she can easily confuse you.
Okay.
Shut up, Marvelous. I don't know whether you
no, don't tell you shut up. You talk your own, no.
Yes. Yeah. So the woman, well, because if you want really attack man, if you attack her for face to face for kitchen, you know herself, attack her if you with a day bed. He go change maths.
I don't learn all that in this night.
I don't know whether you understand me. He go change maths.
Yeah.
It's not only that one. Maybe the woman, they have a working to before they use that they wash. You know, say they not the most of them, they not the bath. The day we go buy the second one, enter that house. Now that they go come out that man for Christian. The man go no say not the Christian.
You go begin wash. You go join and begin the wash.
Believe me. Any man when go open eye, he married there. Believe me, say you don't come up for Christianity way. That is my contribution tonight, my brother. Say you go marry. Say you go marry a Muslim, he go accept you. Say me you go your na lie yo. If your family don't they visit you, they cover they visit you. Not be person go advise you. May you come up for Christianity way.
Yeah.
So
okay, what of the second topic? What you get to talk?
I don't understand for the second topic.
Why we say we Nigerians they form for ourselves for this country, this Europe of 18, we they form for ourselves? Why?
As you see me, so my dear brother, now God, now be my friend, now be my mother, now be my family. I love everybody. I don't know whether you understand me. I love everybody. Yeah. But for me, now my God, now be my family, my father, my everything.
Yes.
I love everybody. We are praying and pray for others. I pray for my ministry. But if you think about it, we black here, we don't have love for each other in Europe. Okay. So me, the love is Nigeria. We have love for each other in Nigeria.
Even for that Nigeria itself, sometimes they shake. They shake like
I know. Light. This is Euro. Is scatter a lot of things.
Yes.
Nigeria, now Europe with the toss at times man of God they use and the praise saying man is the head of the house. But for Europe, now we may be the head of the house. European women, they don't change up for men hands.
No be lie. Because now they bring money for food, they pay house rent.
Genau. So European women, they don't change them for the men hands. Most of them is not all. Most of them is not all. Some of women, once they don't, they sit down €1, they feed the Biafra and no mega, no regard for their husband again. I don't know whether you understand me. But if you are a real good Christian, Christianity is not supposed to be that way. It's not supposed to be like that. Give respect to your husband. But different things happening in Europe here. We see a lot of different things. Now, me they talk, I say this country, they need deliverance, prayer.
You're not only your country, for everywhere.
Also,
like what my brother talk for last of our program. Say what
yes,
they do for this
yes,
too much.
Yes, this thing is too much. Europe, you carry a lot of things, too much.
Yeah. Well, have heard your own
that is my contribution. I did with you online, Sha. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, no
I
problem.
don't know whether night or if you can help me to cut it that way.
Okay, no problem. Okay, that one come from Friday Bosse. She just made her own contribution. Let me continue with the comment and also wait for the next caller that will be calling us. Okay, this one come from Osa. He said, "Na my brother be that." Okay, you're welcome. John Paul said, "Women get power, nothing than can't okay, nothing they can't do." Okay, John Paul said, "What of pastor will marry to native doctor?" This one strong. I don't know. I don't know what I go talk for this one. No, I mean the line they open, man, I come, man, I baby for this one with this guy you're talking. I say, pastor will marry native doctor. Ostano Chimes Ostano said, "Happy Easter, my brother. I'm wishing you all the best." Thank you, dear, for wishing me that. Thank you so much. And this one is coming from Harry Anthony. Harry Anthony said, "This woman gets mad." Okay. Then Osas said, "Thank you very much." Okay. Helen Sarjogu said, "Hi. I bet man, no kill me if I mistake call her name. I beg. I no go school. No blame you. I beg. I chop my school fees when I not supposed to chop her. Now put me for this condition." So let's move on. Please, the line is open for you to call in and make your contribution or your own opinion. Let's hear from you. And also the comment box is right there open. So please, remember on 1st of May, which is Workers' Day, we will be hosting our first guest speaker on this program, which is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odigie. Please join us on that program that very day. You're going to learn a lot of things from him. He's well loaded with knowledge. He's well loaded with so many things that's going to be giving us out that very day. Don't be told about that program. Join us because he's going to be talking to us like a father. And after him, we'll be having more guests because our program has come to stay and we are getting so many backup behind us. So please don't be told. Tell your friends to join us that very day, 1st of May. We'll be hosting a very powerful man of God that will be talking to us like a father. Please write down your questions, write down your contribution, bring out your pen and paper so you're going to learn a lot of things from him that very day. If you can put it down, you can write it down. Everywhere pepper soup, everywhere good. I beg, if I see the pepper soup water on the enter my eye because my eye don't close more. No one, everywhere good. Now network just the best today may help us reach our actual time, which is 12 midnight. Okay, but as it is now, we are still going on to the program. We are still going on. Please, if you want to call quickly now. Know when network still allow us to talk now. Because you get where go reach, go just cut all of a sudden. You know, see anything again, and it will be till Wednesday. We'll continue again. So please, the line is open. The comment box is open. So please, in case I pronounce your name wrong or I didn't pronounce it correctly, please, man, no kill me. I beg. Man, no tell person say I thought I chop my school fees. You're not supposed to chop am more. That make me, you understand? We'll not go into details. Okay. So the program is still on. I'm your host, I'm your presenter, Chris Nkume, in case you don't know my name, because so many of you that are watching this program don't really know my name. I'm Chris Nkume. So if you add that DJ with the phone, that one of my skills, so that one of my, let's just say, my hobby and my skills, my profession, there one side, but it's still the part of my profession. So that's just it. And this one is coming from Helen, I bet I'm not gonna call the surname again. Man, not go by tongue. I might not go provoke person way there. But no verse. Okay, this was coming from Helen. Helen said, "Ha ha ha." She just laugh out laugh. Okay, and it's also coming from Helen. Helen said, "Okay now." So please don't be told about this program that is coming up on 1st of May, which is Wednesday. We are going to have a very wonderful guest speaker among us that's going to be lecturing us for complete 1 hour, 1 full hour out of our 4 hours we have. He's going to be talking to us for 1 full 1 hour. Then the next 1 hour will be your questions and your contribution. We'll be there to answer you, okay? So please make sure you get your pen and your paper, write down your questions. Whatever he said that very day, if you pick anything from it and you want to learn more about that, he will still be online. Just write it as a comment, then he will going to explain to you what you have to know about that particular question. So, who's going to be the next caller for today? The line is open. The comment box is there, wide open, waiting for your comment. So, who's going to be the next caller that we're going to be calling us? So please make your own contribution, your own opinion. The topic still remains: is it right for a Christian to marry a Muslim or a Muslim to marry a Christian? And also, why are we forming for each other in this country? So please, the line is open. If you want to call us and make your own contribution, we'll just bring you straight to the camera. You make your own contribution, everybody will hear you. Okay, this one is coming from Boma Praise. Boma Praise said, "Hi, you're welcome to the program. You're always welcome. So feel free, make your contribution and let us hear your own side of the story, your own part, okay? Don't feel shy. You have another caller in the building. So we are progressing.
Russell,
the time, see the go. You're welcome back.
What is the when I want to ask you?
Okay, ask me.
As long as you know they enter the live video small. So may I give you this kind of question now? You understand? Okay. So I they watch some people live videos sometimes. They say now money, now they make relationship they break.
Okay.
Now money aspect or kinder benefit. You understand? Children money, now they make relationship they break. Do you really believe that? You really believe say that relationship we grow up together, money go fit break now?
I'll answer that question. Ma answer this question. I'll answer you that question very now.
Yeah,
just give me some minutes. I'll answer.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, I greet you. No, I see the house. You never call. If you come, I'll let you know. I'll call you. Yeah, I'll call you. I'll let you know. Now, boss, test they go there now. You don't know again, now, boss. Now, boss, test they go that side. 11:09 the place there. No, it then at 10:34. I don't know. Just check and for net now. Everything the internet is there. Check and for internet there. Please, I don't program. I'll get back to you. I beg later. So please, guys, I'm so sorry for that. I just want to help someone, help a brother out. So please,
no comment. So I just want to ask you so that I know if relationship will be.
Anna there around. I might bring Anna to the video. I'll answer you that question. Just stay behind. I'll answer you. Yeah. So let's have another caller here. Okay, for the question that our brother Ese asked, okay, I don't think that money can break up relationship that is truly formed from scratch. Let me give you one example. Ese, I know you're hearing me. While I'm bringing the caller to the camera, I'll be answering your question. Let me give you an example. Here in Europe now, you see that when a white woman or a white man give birth to a baby, to a boy or a girl, then along the line, that baby is growing up. They always take them to garden where they meet their fellow girls, where they meet their fellow children, and they will be playing together. You see, as time goes by, two of them will not start liking each other. Any that they come to that garden and they see each other, it will be like as if that child is having a little bit problem that he doesn't feel so happy that very day. So once they have started liking each other that way, you are not going to come up tomorrow night. You will tell me that they break up because of money or anything. No, I don't believe that any love, that any relationship that is being formed from the scratch, my dear, As long as you don't hide anything from each other, as long as you don't tell lies. If you are any one naira, tell the woman, like if you are any one naira, you tell the girl I'm any one naira, she will know. When she said I will buy this for you, you keep your promise. That's one thing that what I see that break up relationship is not all about money. It's about breaking promises. What you know that you cannot be able to do, don't make that promise, because women are like kids. They are like children. If you promise a kid, a kid that you're going to give him this thing, and you don't give him that thing, every day that will see you, first thing that will come to his mind is that thing that you promise him. That's how women are. Like you called her, honey, I'm coming back home, I'll get you an ice cream. If you're coming back home and you don't come with that ice cream, she'll be welcoming you with one eye, using one eye to be looking if you come back with that ice cream. So I don't think I hope you get what I'm saying. What I say. Okay, let me give another illustration. Let me give another example. Like I was reading one novel online. I normally read. I love reading. It helps me a lot. I was reading one article like that on net. He said that if you want your family to last long, if you want your marriage or your home to last long, or your relationship to last long, as a man, you're working. Let your wife be in charge of that salary. You know why? Because if she's in charge of that salary you're earning, she will know how to manage it, and it will not get finished. But if you are the one managing the salary you're giving to her, when it's finished, she will not even know. She will be asking you for more. And when you don't provide, that means the problem have already started from there. So that's the reason why I just made this illustration, for you to understand some things. So please, guys, believe me, anybody can still contribute to this. Any relationship that is being formed from scratch, money can never break it. What breaks relationship or marriage quickly or most is betraying trust and promises. So that's all I can say for now. Okay, this one is coming from Boma. He said, no, it's not right for a Christian to marry a Muslim. Please, I would like you to call to make more emphasis on this topic, on this comment you just sent in now. I would like you to, tell us more. Let's know your reason and your opinion why you said so. Okay, this one is coming from John Paul. John Paul said, bro, native daughter will marry to a pastor. He be like Christian will marry to Muslim. I call that destiny. Oh, but John Paul not okay for this program. He said, native daughter go marry pastor. Cosa è successo? Qual motivo, per favore? For what now? What? Okay, let's leave that one aside. Let's not go into that. Okay, this one is coming from Friday. This one is coming from SA, and he said thanks. Okay, at least I try my little best for answering that question. Okay, this one is coming from Friday. Friday boss said thank you. Okay, you're welcome. So the line is still open. You can still call in and make your own contribution, or let me know what you have in mind or what's your opinion on this topic we are discussing today. So please keep on calling, keep on sending your comments. I'm here to do justice to it. I will read it out, or you can call in to make it more easier for me to, to speak less. Okay, it seems like we have another caller in the building. Oh, we lost that caller. Please try and call back. We lost that caller. Please try and call back. If your network is not that too strong, you let us know, please. Your contribution, your calling gives this program more energy, okay? And please keep on sharing, keep on telling your friends about this program, because if you're looking for a best place to learn without reading, without even watching film, without even stressing yourself, I think this is the best place for you to learn, because you hear people talk, you hear people write, we keep on talking, we keep on advising each other, we keep on learning. So please, that's the best way for me to, for us to learn. For me, that's what I think. This is the best way. That's what we call it. Let's educate each other. And please, we have our YouTube channel already. Rumors are going around. They are going to close Facebook because of so many things that's happening. So we don't know. In case if they close the Facebook, the program must still go on. You can switch over to YouTube or Instagram. So please, the YouTube name we are using, the YouTube channel is Let's Educate Each Other. Please, you can subscribe to it and you get all this program I have been doing so far. You watch it right there. So anytime you have your own, in case you are forgetting anything, that's why one of the most important things that make me to create that YouTube channel. In case you are forgetting anything, maybe there's something you need to remember, you need to learn. Quickly go back to that channel. You will learn from that channel. Maybe I'll be sharing the link on this channel one of these days, so you can be able to go easy access to that. Okay, you're welcome, my sister.
It's me.
Okay, you're welcome back.
My answer for a Christian to marry a Muslim, my answer is no.
Okay. That's your own opinion.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have 3 boys now. I'm always told my children, if they marry me, will be their second wife.
Okay, no problem. That's good. That's good.
Yes, no.
That's right.
No, any a Muslim that plan to even marry a Christian, if you look at it, it's not common. Any Christian woman that said you want to marry to a Christian, for example, he have plan. Believe me, if that maybe that guy have money, he have plan.
Yeah.
He's not come for wedding, just come and collect the wealth of that man. One, and take that man away from Christianity way. My answer, no. My own opinion.
Okay, you guys, my people in the house, you have heard what our sister boss has said.
Yes.
Said she can't agree on that topic, on that issue of marrying a Muslim or a Muslim marrying a Christian.
Did they will not see the kettle? If he carry pot for us, they wash. They wash.
Wash. Don't be like, give me a good.
Okay, bro. Bye. Cut up for that.
Contribution. So now the here and now, not me they talk and this time around though. Everybody make their own opinion. So please don't be left behind. I beg, like I thought before, if I make mistake for the grammar, man, I no kill me. I chop my school fees. I beg, man, I no kill me in case if I make mistake for the grammar. When I go chop my school fee when I'm not supposed to chop her, that make me deal like this one again. I know she say I don't even know which side they talk. So that's just by the way. Okay, please remember, like I was saying before the caller calls in, we already have our YouTube channel. You can go there to learn whatever you want to learn. That maybe you are forgetting or something like that. Please just go right there, subscribe it, so that anytime we post our new, it's not just about our topic here. I have so many inspiration or any other things that will be inspiring you. I'll be putting on that channel soonest. Okay, I'm just working on some things, on some areas. I'm working hard to make sure that this program doesn't die that way. Instead of it to die that way, I'll put more effort to make sure that it's continue standing. So please, in case you want to search for the name, just type this our topic here. Let's educate each other. It will just come out. That's the only channel will just show you that. That's just thing that you just see. Let's educate each other. You just see it there. Once you go on YouTube, just write "Let's educate each other." Search. It will just come out. Just subscribe it. You can watch. In case you don't know when we start this program, you can watch some of those programs. In case you miss any of those programs, go there. Just type "Let's educate each other." You just see it there. You just see the programs, the one we have done so far from the episode 1 to the current one. Even this one we're doing tonight will be uploaded there tomorrow or next tomorrow. You see it on that YouTube channel. So please just go there, subscribe it, keep on following the YouTube channel. In case anything happens to the Facebook account, you can switch over to the YouTube channel and continue doing the program there. So thank you so much. This one is coming from Kelly Anthony. Kelly Anthony said, brother, no verse. So Europe are not educated. As for their WAEC, I beg, no call here come the cost quarter. I beg. I say I chop my school fees. No me say other people chop their own. As I know sabi speak, another person will speak past me go there here. So I beg. We know the house of WAEC here. Una president you get WAEC. Sorry. Oh sorry. Man, I no verse. I no talk and finish. I no talk and finish. Man, I no talk say I me talk. I no hear of my mouth too. But okay, this one is also coming from Kelly. Said, brother, no verse. So Europe girls are not educated. Ask for their WAEC. You get what I want to talk before I no talk again. I beg, bros. You first of all show us your own WAEC. I'm gonna start from you first of all. This one is coming from Friday Boss. And Friday Boss said, no. No is no. She won't accept that. Okay. John Paul said he no get. You know see you yourself no even get. You say me we show you. We no go show I shop my own. I no lie you. I shop my WAEC results. Sorry. No be result. I chop my WAEC money. I don't register for WAEC. So I'm so sorry for that. I don't have my WAEC register. I don't have my WAEC result. I eat my money. I eat the WAEC money. You know right now. So this one is coming from John Paul, so he said, our say Baba no get. Now you can finish amo. No me talk amo. Man, I hear you. See my armpit, they clean though. No me talk. Another person not talk and come out. So now so the thing just be. Now so we just see them. So make we they do and small they go. So please keep on sharing the program. Keep on inviting your friends. The line is always open for you to call in and make your own contribution. So remember, on Wednesday we have another interesting topic we're going to be dealing on. So just join us simple because the program is getting more interesting. Believe me, it's getting more interesting day by day. We are improving on it. Instead of it to go down, we are increasing, we are improving on it. So all we need is your support. Please keep on sharing the program. I don't ask much from you guys. All I ask from you guys for you to keep on sharing the program. Keep on telling your friends about this program. Let them join us and see the good thing we have been doing here and how we have been learning from each other. Please, I beg you guys, let's show this program a little bit love and interest. Let's just work together as one. Because if we work together as one, this program will stand permanently, and we're going to invite many guest speakers that will be speaking to us in different ways, in different topics, in different areas that in our life that we need to hear some certain things. You know, when you don't do things that are supposed to do in the right time, when the time passes by, it will be very, very difficult for you to recover that time again. So please, I beg of you guys, share this program, tell your friends about it, you know, even your family. Watch, if you are married, if you are still into relationship, you can watch alongside with your girlfriend, you can watch alongside with your husband or your wife, okay? Nobody's above learning. It's not only meant for the youth, no. We are going to marry tomorrow, you know. Me, I go marry tomorrow, go down. Papa Chris Jr., Chris, where's your father? He there inside. Very soon I go down. No, I pray for that, and God will grant me a desire, you know. Soonest, okay, I'll be announcing, you know, when it happens, you know, you guys, I know if I announce my marriage, if I announce her, I know many people would like to come, and many people would like to see me in person, will try to understand, but that's not the issue now. The issue now is that let's deal on the topic we have at hand. The line is open. Please share, invite your friends, tell them that you are discussing a very nice, interesting topic today, that person should join and watch what you have been watching. Maybe you see with your phone, you are just busy focusing watching. You might be saying, I'm waiting this one, they watch this one. What? They invite and tell and say, follow me, watch, and make sense, waiting, they make sense. You understand? No, they complete. Sure. Okay. We'll leave that area. We'll leave that side. So the topic is still on. Can you marry a Muslim as a Christian, or as a Muslim can you marry a Christian? That's number one topic. Number two topic is why are we guys forming so high here in Italy, all over Europe, as if we know they even they go toilets. Man, use broken talk that one. Okay, we have another comment in the house. This one is coming from Lovett Johnson. Lovett Johnson said hi. Okay, you're welcome to the program. She always join us. She's not a newcomer. She be part of us. She be one of us. So she know how the program they be now. Don't need to come to explain to her. So if I even want to explain, the person they watch us before, we never join us before. That fit explain to, but for her, she know everything. She know every. So she know where to touch and she will call. She know where to write and she will write and drop her comment. So no need to come the. You understand? I know say she they hear me where she there now. So brothers and sisters, let's continue watching. Let's continue sharing and invite our friends. Okay, this one is coming from Miss Grace. Miss Grace said, there is no big deal if Christian marry to a Muslim or Muslim marry to Christian, because God did not say we should marry Muslim and leave Christian, or marry Christian and leave Muslim. Sister, you get mad. That's your own opinion. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Please. The comment box is still there, open, and everything is still happening. So join us, make your own comments, call in, make your own contribution. We all are here to learn, okay? Feel free. We all are here to learn. Okay, this one is coming from Yvier. Oh, so okay, he said this one is coming from. Sorry for that mistake of name. Sorry for that laugh. Okay, This is coming from Golden Angela Festus. She just say, okay, this your home. I don't know. Person mess for your side for there. I be something they smell you. Don't make you be home. I bet if something they smell for that side, may let us know. Or call us for phone. Call us for life. We here. What make you they do home. Okay, this he said Golden Angela Festus said this one strong. Okay, no problem. You don't hear that now. So make your own contribution. No know your own opinion. This one is coming from Miss Grace as well. Miss Grace said, I will marry in a place where I found love. I bet come marry me now. I found wife. Come marry me. I be Muslim. Come marry me, sister. I shall be Christian. I be Muslim. Come marry me. More they do one together now. No be lie. So that's by the way, they say you do this side, everything works together for them that love God. Okay, we joke, we are still serious in some things. Okay, that's how the program will be more lively, because if you take it so serious, the program will not be lively. So we joke, we laugh when it's necessary to laugh, we joke when it's necessary to joke. Okay, all works together for the progress of the program. So please remember, like I said, 1st of May, which is next month precisely, we'll be having our first guest in this program, which is he's going to teach us. He's going to be telling us so many things we need to learn as married men or as people that are into relationship, because that topic that very day is going to be based on marriages, relationship, and those that are about to get married. So that's the topic we're going to be dealing on that very day. But the topic is not yet out, but I've just highlighted it, just how the program that day is going to look like. Understand? So get ready to be a part of that program that very day. Don't be left out. The time is, no matter what normally starts, you'll be talking to us for like 1 hour, and the remaining 1 hour he'll be able to answer some of your questions that you'll be sending in. Okay, so that's how we're going to be doing it on 1st of May. The name of our guest speaker that day is going to be, his name is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odigie. The General Overseer of Bread of Life International Ministry you have been hearing about. I'll be bringing him live that very day. He'll be the one that's going to be teaching us that very day. Okay, the General Overseer of Bread of Life International Ministry that I've been hearing about, he's going to be our guest on that very day, 1st of May, next month. So this one is coming from Miss Grace. He said, Leo, maybe laugh because of what I said, everywhere clear. Okay, this one is coming from Wilfred. Wilfred said, good evening, guys. Okay, you're welcome to the program. We're adding a new caller. Okay, wow, Sass, you fresh like today, bread.
Good evening.
Come on, did you go find job?
No,
okay, now talk to us. You're welcome to the program. Happy Easter.
Same to you.
Okay.
I'm still laughing.
So hello. People are watching you. Serious for once, please. Okay, we lost that caller. Please, next time you call, know that people are watching you on live. Okay, whoever is disturbing, just tell that person to to allow you to speak. You are about to lecture people. You are about to say something that people benefit from. Okay, that's how we see it today. The line is still open for you to call in and make your contribution. You can send in your own comments. Remember, like I was saying before the caller comes in, 1st of May 2019, which is next month precisely, we'll be having the General Overseer of Bread of Life Ministry International worldwide on our program. He's going to be our guest that very day. He's going to be teaching us on marriage, relationship, and also people that are about to get married. The topic is not yet out, but I'm just enlightening you the area he'll be specializing. So if you have anything you want to ask him that very day, you better start putting it down now. Start getting ready for the program that very day, because he will be talking to us. He'll be teaching us for complete 1 hour. Then the remaining 1 hour, he'll be using it for for answering questions, your question, and also let you know some kind of things you need to know. You understand? The program have come to stay. For those that don't know our YouTube channel name, just type "Let's Educate Each Other." Either in capital, just type it in full in capital letter. It will just appear to you. Just subscribe it, to keep yourself updated. So whenever we update new program, you'll be able to get along with it. You'll be able to watch it.
Hello,
So
sorry for
we have
that.
another caller. You are welcome back. Okay.
No problem.
Okay. So what's your name, please? Let's know who is talking to us.
My name is Lovett Johnson, all the way from Germany, and I see the topic of
Okay, you're
today.
welcome to the Okay. So what do you have to tell us today? Let's hear from you. Oh, what's happening to your network? Hello? Hello, what's happening to your network? We lost that caller again. Please, please. I know you have something to tell us this night. Please keep on trying and keep us updated with what is happening in your area. Just tell us what you think about the topic we are discussing today. So we are waiting. The line is open, guys. You can call in and make your own contribution, or you can write it through comments. I will read it. I'm here to serve you guys. Okay? Don't leave this program all alone for me. We are here to learn from each other. Okay? Nobody knows it all. You know how we normally do it every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So today, like I said before, we have limited time, but I see the network, the internet is still carrying us, and we are still going along with the internet. So I don't even know we were going to stay up to this moment, but thank God for everything. So you can still call in, you can still make your own contribution. Oh, hello, bros. Huh? No, I don't think bus 35 they go there. No, I don't think so. It's bus 30. Yes, only 30. Ruchese, now be the bus stop near Ruchese. Ruchese. See. Okay, now. Yeah, later. So that's how we gonna be doing it on this program today. The line is still open. The comment box is there. Oh, I got a missed call here. Okay. So please call in, send in your contribution. Okay, the line is open. The comment box is free for you to comment, and I will read it out here. I'm here to serve you, like you all know. We normally do it like this every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So today, like I said, we have a limited time, but I'm still wondering why the network is still going. Well, it's still good. I love it that way. But if ends anytime it ends, please, that's how I'm going to end it for today. Then I promise to come back your way on Wednesday for us to finish up with another topic. Okay, so you can call in now. We have this time. We don't know when the internet will be finishing. Make I speak and for pidgin English. Where I chop my money reach. You understand? I chop my school fees money. I chop my work money. That's why I know sabi speak English. So I dey do and cut and join. But I can listen. I join now. Everything will be going loquaciously. I don't even know what to speak, whether they're correct. I beg, if you correct, man, still let me know. At least I know so I don't learn that one today. I mean, loquaciously. True or false? If it's true, fine. If it's not true, then I take it like that. Now we are chop my school fees rich. So please, the line is still open. The comment box is there. You can call in and make your own contribution. Please, you are waiting to learn from you. Learn from me, I learn from you. That's the motive and purpose of this program. Okay? Reason with me. If I not get today, I go get time tomorrow. Oh yeah, come make you talk. Or send your comments. If you know send down tonight, you know go send down tomorrow. You go wait till Wednesday. Oh yeah, come make you talk. If you know send your comment tonight, you know go send down tomorrow.
I'm so sorry for that.
Call, make you talk. You're welcome back. You're always welcome.
Okay, so, what is the topic of today?
The topic of today is, as a Christian you are, can you marry a Muslim? That's the first topic.
Is what?
As a Christian you are, as a Christian you are, can you marry a Muslim? That's the first topic. Then the second topic is, why are we guests, or why are we guys here in Europe, most especially guests, are forming among themselves? Why? They see their fellow Nigeria, they go to form, they do like say they know the shit.
Okay, then I will start with the first one. Why Muslim get married to Christian or something like that? Yeah, it's possible. I've seen a lot of things. Most of where I live here, I have seen a lot of victims, and if the girl really love the boy, or if the guy love the girl, I guess you have to leave the tradition. If it's for Muslim or Christian, we'll go to the other one. Because I have a friend also that will live together. The girl is my friend, but she's from Muslim. The boy is Christian. Because of her, the boy can't transfer from Christian to Muslim. As in, he can do it for love. As in, love conquers everything. If you love the girl, can do it. That is just it. And both of them, they are living happily, and they have their own kids now. Everything is okay. The second side, talking about why Nigeria guys or Nigeria girls are forming. Oh, I know. Like where I go to school in my class, I'm the only one who is Nigeria before they brought another girl. I don't know. Some of them, they are just so stupid. I don't know that. Why is it Nigeria? People, anywhere you go here, Nigeria, that comma, me not say problem deal. We will start Casala don't bust. As even myself, I'm so very ashamed of myself when I will get to public. They ask me, where are you from? I will say I'm from Nigeria. As in, it's very, very bad.
I bet not the shame, I bet. Just do your own part, leave the rest for God.
My dear, no easy. Almost so Germany here. Anything be say you're tossing agenda, this in Nigeria, if you come, they will run leave you. That is just it. Because a lot of things have happened. Most of our people don't do, both boys and girls. At least I don't know. If you say you go see your own fellow Nigeria, you go full greet and say, if you not go for answer, you go use no stay answer, which is very bad because they don't have love between themselves. It's very bad. As for me, if I see my fellow Nigeria, even though he's a girl or a boy, I always greet bros, good afternoon, mama, good afternoon. As in, I did friendly with everybody, but some of them, I don't know. Most of my school, I say we are 3 Nigeria guests. We don't used to talk. Everybody will carry me on. They don't used to talk to me, but I just look there and say, God, they'll go, they follow another country, they make friends, Guinea, and if all these Guinea people, so if you see here Guinea, Ghana, they, as in love, they between both of them, but Nigeria, man, they command they. That is just the truth, which is very bad. They don't have love between themselves, which is very bad. For me, I'm ashamed of myself. Even my friends will live together. Also, we are also very ashamed of ourselves that if something bad happens, we say, even though we are in school, over the last time me and my friend went out to go and buy something, over white also call us, he said, where are you guys? Me and my friend go outside that they went to buy something. We said, no, but see one white. Because we all come for, now I'm for Nigeria. As we all talk in Nigeria, so the man just say turn back and ride the motor come out because I don't know. A lot of things have happened. Talking over me myself.
Nigeria, great country.
Over me myself, I'm so ashamed of myself. I not like you. Get where go reach. As in, normally I'm so very proud of my country. Even though you reach any place, Nigeria is a big country, or a lot of things have happened, but between themselves there is no love in Nigeria, which is very bad. Both the boys and both the girls, they don't have love for each other. At least when you see your fellow Nigeria, you have love for them. You say hi, if it's just a hi, maybe to say hi or hello or something like that. There's no love for them.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I so much love your contribution. I guess you stay behind and hear from other people as well. So thank you so much for calling in for the program. Okay, now happy Easter, because I not talked that one before start, but
when you are done,
my rice, I'll come. Yes.
Okay.
I'll come Germany, cut off my rice. Okay, that's what I come from our sister Lovett all the way from Germany. So you guys have heard what she just said, that we guys are not showing love to each other. Please, let's try. Oh! She said, you're welcome to the program tonight. You don't tell, longest time. Just a chopole, just a poporiole, you don't even remember me.
I the word.
One for
sometimes you. I know what just call, you understand?
Abby.
I really
well, first of all, where my star rice?
It's fridge. If you can fly to come and eat it, it's available.
Okay, no worry, I'll come chop am. In case you know say I'm again tomorrow, but no say I'm chop am. Okay, you're welcome. What's your name? And let's go straight to the point.
My name is Helen.
Okay.
So I've been watching the program since you guys started, and I want to contribute on the issue if a Christian is allowed to marry a Muslim, right?
Yeah.
This thing is simple.
A Muslim are allowed to marry Christian.
No matter where you're going to marry for, first and foremost, we all are humans.
Okay.
No matter the religion or whatever, we are human. Number one, there are some group of people, they are not Christians, they are not Muslim. They do get married and go fine. And there are good Christians, they will marry a pagan. The marriage will still go well. Sometimes the pagan might talk the other person out of being a Christian or being a Muslim or being whichever religion the person belongs to. Religious does not matter. What matter is, number one, love.
Yeah.
If you love your partner, no matter where you're from. Okay, let me make an example. She's a Libyan. The father is a Libyan from Libya, and the mother is from Libya. But the father is a Christian. Libya person.
A Christian.
Yeah, the father is a Christian and the mother is a Muslim.
So strange.
They have been married for over 48 years and no really. Do you know how I find out?
How?
We were just having problem in this house, you know, as a zeal person now. So everybody was just quarreling. Then I told her, hey, it's because they are Muslim, we are Christian. That's why you support your people. Then she said, let me correct this impression. So she called us and she was telling us her parents' life. They've been married for over 48 years. And the man is a Christian up to date, and the woman is a Muslim. When you love yourself, you understand yourself. You know, we all are human. We deserve respect from one another. If you love me, you want to stay with me, you give me my own respect. If I love you, I want to stay with you, I give you your own respect. It doesn't mean we don't love each other because we are not as in because you're a Muslim, I'm a Christian. We are serving the same God, or even Ogun server will still call God if he did no the truth. The truth. Because me, as I did, yes, I'm a Christian now, but I not come from a home of a Christian. What they say juju. Now Addison, the guy that called before, Addison, is my relation. He knows me very well. Yes.
S. Anderson.
Yes.
Wow.
We are a distant cousin, and we grew up in the same village. So he knows me. So if I'm lying, he can testify to that. So even when my papa they serve that thing, they say, Osaloboa, it's still they call God put for that thing. We are serving the same. Yeah, the truth. No matter which we belong to, we are serving God. And number two, we are human. Now God will create Muslim, not create Christian. We too discriminate. It's not good. We be human. This life, bro, say no get part two. Now even part one, it not be full movie. I just before you know, if it happen,
this is not finished.
You see, person go your come, go your kick like they'll say an obituary patient. Now it on to understand. This life not get part two. Where we say, let's say this one a Christian, this one a Muslim. Go to where your heart belong, where you have peace. People they marry the Christian now. You go even marry pastor. Go see say they say the marriage no work again. Why? They don't give good reasons. Because number one, they don't love themselves. Coming for something. They're not coming for something reasonable. Don't look at what the man is doing. Now look at the future. What how you people are going to build yourself together. Being a Muslim or a Christian doesn't matter. Understand? That is for my own country. Although I have a lot, but that is enough for now.
Yeah.
Talk of why are we for each other? That's the question.
Yes, yeah. That's
many of us are stupid. Do you know why it do happen? It do. Yeah. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Now not get brain.
Somehow.
Yeah, maybe it's your network.
Yeah, something like I said a brief period will get today. If you cut any moment.
Now not get brain go begin form for each other. You understand? Yeah. Because at the form for you now say I beg, I don't want to talk to this person. The African China say your worst enemy could be your best friend. You never can tell. It might be that person with the form for it could be your helper.
Yeah,
now
that's true.
Bros, wallahi. Because this life, I still they talking. You don't get part two. You don't see my part. Okay, everybody they use and make parable say, belle where you not see chop food. Now you come to the form for person. Because the ratio that say waiting up. You know, and number two, if you reason this thing start from Bongo, we love ourselves. The hatred is already there. For me, if I see somebody when I know, although sometimes not be everybody they like greet, bro. If you greet some people, change them for you.
Not so sure.
Especially some guys. Yeah.
It's just some guys. Okay. Bagan don't ring.
Yeah, the truth is some guys you just see they just say maybe this person, me I just greet them. Go begin to say, babe, which one? Because they just because they want to speak to you. You understand? Because they tell you say, now you beautiful. You know, first see you say you beautiful before. And number two, when you do then they think this guy be like say, don't they fall for me?
Yeah.
You know, many things are going on. And we can no, the truth, bro. I don't get much to say about this very one because it's not that for me, it's not that important. If you feel like, but do not have grudges towards anybody. A salutation is not love. Not be everybody.
Yeah, that's true.
Love. And number two, let's not raise a shoulder towards one another because anybody can be your helper.
Yeah.
Anybody. Because it has happened to me once when in Italy, I came new. So I was kind of okay. I saw one guy on the at the train station. So I decided not to talk to him. I was just looking at him. I know say if I talk, he go gist. So me one from big girl. Later, my ticket hook. I don't feel bad. My ticket not hook. The person why they say I don't want greet. Even say, sister, how are you? I don't want greet her. And that person constantly give me money, my buy ticket.
You see.
If not, I forgot for both train station sleep there.
Is a lesson to you then.
So we have to be good to one another. This one I don't really have much to say, but in terms of that Muslim and Christian, now we're meant for rest. Who go give you peace matters a lot. Who go give you peace?
Yeah.
No matter religion doesn't matter. If you see Ogun Sava go marry a Christian, the marriage go well. Christian go marry Christian. You go see say divorce don't they enter marriage.
Anyhow.
Yeah, it doesn't matter where you marry from, who you marry. What matter is the personality, what you're going to bring out of that man or what you're going to bring out of that woman. You understand? That
that's true.
Really matter. You being a Christian, you being a Muslim, you can marry. If you really want to decide to change to Muslim or a Christian, is your choice. But if you decide to, if you guys understand each other, you can still go to your separate churches or mosque and still be together. So maybe if I have
thank you so much for that. Yeah, you have done so well. So thank you so much. I just want to tell you to join us on Wednesday, 1st of May. We are having our first guest on this program. Okay, please just join us. You're going to learn a lot of things from him, okay?
I hope I'm around.
Okay, you'll be around in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Okay, now thank you so much.
All right, then bye.
Yeah, bye. So that one come from Helen, Sister Helen, all the way from Germany. Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. This one is coming from Helen. Say okay. This one is coming from Miss Grace. Say Leo. Okay. This one is coming from Miss Grace. Say that's why they say enjoy your life when you are young. Okay. This one is coming from Miss Grace. She said, and we came with Lapa Lapa. This girl, I'll finish with this night. With Lampadoza, Lampa. Okay, let's have another caller in the building and hear his own opinion before maybe the internet still goes on. We continue. Okay, welcome to the program. Hello. Hello, who do we have here? Hello. Cut him off, maybe he's not there. Okay, so the line is still open. You can still call in and make your own contribution. Don't forget, we are still on it. Let's educate each other. That's the title of this program we are doing. You can call in and let us know your own opinion, how you feel, or what you have in mind concerning the topic we are dealing on today. So please make sure as you call us, you put on your light so we can be able to see who is talking to us and learn from your own ideas. Hello. Hello.
I greet you, brother.
You're welcome to the program. Yeah, you're welcome to the program.
You're welcome. You are welcome.
Yeah. So, okay. So, what do you have to tell us on today's topic?
So, I did come on time. So, what is today's topic?
The topic is talking about: is it good for a Christian to marry a Muslim or a Muslim to marry a Christian? That's the first topic. Then the second topic is: why are we forming for each other in this Europe countryside, in this Europe side? Why are we forming for each other? Why?
Okay. For your first question, is it good for a Christian to marry a Muslim or a Muslim to marry a Christian? So, that question is a thing of choice. You understand? It's a thing of choice. Though Muslim, Christian, we are one. You understand?
Okay.
Whether you are a Muslim or you are a Christian, everybody we are one. We are serving one God. You understand?
Okay.
To me, it's advisable for you to marry from your own religion. You understand? Maybe for example, you are a Christian now. It's advisable for you to marry a Christian. So if you are a Muslim, it's advisable for you to marry a Muslim. Let's say for example now. Let's say for example now. As I'm a Christian now, I cannot marry a Muslim because my family must unite. Okay, tomorrow now I'm going to church. My wife is going to mosque. There's no, it's like disunity. There's no, you understand? On a normal note, me and my wife are supposed to be praying together, doing that morning devotion, doing that night devotion together, praying together, teaching our kids. Do you understand? But because of the different religion, that thing brings so many separation in the family. My wife is a Muslim, me I'm a Christian. You now find out that tomorrow, Nana, if the children are not coming, you understand?
Yeah.
You surprised that maybe some will follow the mother side, while some will follow the father side. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, I said disunity. It will bring disunity. Though we are serving one God, but so it will bring disunity. Some of the kids will follow their mom, while some will follow their dad. So it's not we are serving, but it's not a good idea. If you are a Christian, marry a Christian. If you are a Muslim, marry Muslim. So that if you are a Muslim, you marry a Muslim. You guys will understand each other. Every Friday, go to mosque because it's the same religion. You understand? You understand? But if you are a Christian, you are a Muslim, sometimes there will be conflict, some argument. There must be an argument. Maybe for example now, you are a Christian now, a Pentecostal for that matter. A Pentecostal for that matter. And your wife now is a Muslim. Let me put it for that example. Your wife now is a Muslim. You know, you are praying now. Your wife will like, she will be angry. This man is disturbing me. If it's a woman that have that respect for you, though he might not say it out, she'll just keep it, but that aggressive will show on her face. This man, anytime I want to sleep, he always disturb me. You understand? Always pray, 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 pray. You understand? Always pray, worship, clap, all those kind. Because mostly they are not doing those things. Clap, worship. Then the woman now is a Muslim now. She's doing her own thing. Maybe something will still come up from the man. This woman, I don't understand her. Is that how they do their religion? You understand? So I don't want to offend I don't want to put anything in play. I don't want to offend anybody. You understand? Muslim and Christian, is one God, but according to your topic, it's not advisable for a Muslim to marry a Christian because of the different doctrine. Let me use that word, different doctrine. It's not different doctrine. You understand?
Okay.
So not advisable. The second one, you said something.
Why are we forming for each other? Why are we forming for one another in this Europe?
That your topic. Why are we forming for one another? That is not for everybody. Like me now. Like me, I will tell you that I'm not that kind of person that I don't form. You understand? I don't form. So that question is not for everybody. Most people do form, but not everybody form. You understand? Not everybody form. The reason why some people I can tell you, is ignorance. The why some people are forming for it, I can tell you, is lack of ignorance, illiterate. Because you see some people now, because they are in Europe, someone will just send a message, they will not reply. You understand? I ask a brother, I don't want to mention name. I ask a brother. He's the one that said, people in Nigeria, I don't reply them. Or no. I was like, why? He said, no. I think in my spirit, why are you forming? Those are your guys say they don't want to reply. But you have forgotten that back then, you guys were in Nigeria. You understand? Doing things together. Or is it because you're in Europe now, you don't want to reply there? I always tell people, Europe is not heaven. Europe is like other country. You understand? It's because of the bad that we have. You understand? So if you are that type that because you have arrived, you are in Europe now, you will not be raising. Thank God you are in Europe now. You know how the white people live their life now. Everybody are equal. No matter the money you have, no matter the cars, everything, no matter, everybody are equal. But you see, we Africans, we have this low mentality, ignorance. Just achieve small thing. You will be forming for your fellow brother. Raise the shoulder that you have arrived. It's not good, and this thing is not helping. That's why you see we blacks, they don't want to help each other. We don't want to help each other. I posted something last year. What I posted on my Facebook, I posted that if you direct somebody, maybe for example now you are working in this company now, and there's a vacant in that company. My write-up, there's a vacant in that company, and you tell that person that, you tell your fellow brother or your fellow Nigerians or fellow African brother that there's a vacant in that company, will they sack you for that? If sack you in that work, they will not sack you in that work. You understand? But you now see that this is out of jealousness. You don't want your fellow brother to move forward. You just want everything by your side. It's out of jealousness. It's ignorance. You see, especially our Nigerian brothers and sisters here in Europe, we don't want to help each other. You see opportunity, you don't want to even let your brother to know. You don't want to let your sister to know. You keep it. You just keep it. Let the matter dies. Your capo, your director in the company will say, I'm looking for somebody. And you guys, okay, let's leave aside. Let's start for inside the church. Let's leave aside now. Let's start for inside the church. We say we are Christian. Are we practicing this Christianity? Are we practicing this Christianity? Not by going to church and clap hands. At the end of the day, you are talking against your brother and sister inside the same church, calling each other after service. Calling each other after service to know, and the thing you guys are discussing is not way forward. Why can't you discuss how to make money? Why can't you discuss how to move forward? How to help each other? Discussing. Damaging your fellow brother. Damaging your fellow brother. This thing happen inside the church, brother. You just come inside church, they will be talking your matter, discussing about you. Negativity. It's not helping us. That's why you see Africa, we are still backward. We have everything to move forward. We have everything to even have. Europe, I don't say anything in Europe. But because they are united, they have this one love. That's why people are trooping in here. They say they are talking about leaders. Brother, bro, this thing are not for this thing. You see this corruption of a thing. Let's keep the leaders aside. Corruption stands for we as an individual.
Okay,
you see
so
your fellow brother.
your point is that
No,
you are sorry, you are digressing from the topic we are doing. I wish you could just let us, because this topic you're doing is another day topic. Because once you continue going on this digression we are doing now, people will not start talking about this.
You said in the same topic you said why are we
forming here? Why are we forming here in Europe? Why are we forming for our fellow guys here in Europe?
Yes, now in the same topic now I'm digressing to the same topic because you say why are we forming? You understand?
Yeah.
So ignorance is making most of us in Europe here to form. You understand? Okay. I better pass this one. I know I made this one pass me. All those kind of things. Because you have the opportunity to work in that company. You understand? You have the opportunity to work in that company. You are now raising shoulder on your fellow brother or your fellow sister. It's not good.
Yeah.
So when I was in Nigeria, the way people live life, I think there's no more that forming. But in this Europe, the forming is too much. The forming is too much. You see a brother now that been in Europe now. That been in Europe now for 10 years. Let me put this thing straight now. You see a brother or a sister that been in Europe now for 10 years. Because now, you are just coming. You are just coming. You are not up to maybe 1 year or 2 years. There will be, and later you now find out that in life it's not by there's no who fair go. Life is not calculated by the amount, the hours you spent. You see somebody that just came in no. They just come in no. And make it. You understand? Other word they will say, someone say this boy they camp. No, all those kind of things. You don't want to mingle yourself with all those kind of people, all those kind of things. It's not good. That brother or that sister you are condemning, do you think that brother or that sister will remain like that? At times things will change. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Any man that doesn't think tomorrow, that always think today, that don't want to think tomorrow, I can tell you that man is the foolish man on earth. Like me now, I fear people's success. That's why I always respect anybody that I come across. I always respect them because anybody can come up. You understand? Anybody can come up. You will see a little child now. It might be president tomorrow. It might be the one that will be the managing director that company you are going to. That's why you don't need to have issue with anybody. Just be free. Free your mind. Be free. In fact, be free to everybody. Because this life, is a mystery. If the thing turns around, even the scientists, the people, they don't understand this life. It's only God. God does the thing in a miraculous way. He does the thing that marvel people. You understand? We shouldn't condemn anybody. Yeah. We shouldn't condemn anybody. We shouldn't raise shoulder on our.
Guys, I'm so sorry for that YouTube record. Like I said, the network is what you are looking up to. Okay, this one's coming from, so you can call back, Saint Chuku, you can call back for us to continue. So coming from Webby Essay, in my own opinion, I don't think it's wrong for a Christian to marry a Muslim. What matters is love, okay? This one is coming from Sylvester. I said, hello everyone, it has been a while, okay? And this one is coming from okay, we have another caller in the building. Maybe he wants to finish up and round up his comments. Hello. So please call in. We still have a little more time. Maybe you see maybe the internet is somehow breaking now because it just ended the call, and now we are trying to bring him back to the camera, but it's not working out. So please, you can still send your comment. Let's see if you can work out through comment, because we are trying to bring the caller back, but you can't see him at all. So remember, in case it ends, that means we should see again on Wednesday, please. And don't forget, 1st of May, we are having our first guest on this program. So get prepared, get your pen and book, get your biro and book. So I urge you guys to keep on supporting this program by sharing it, by inviting your friends, by telling people around you about it. And we also have our YouTube page. Let's educate each other in the YouTube channel. In case you have been missing all this program, I've been doing all this while, just log into that YouTube channel, subscribe it, so that anytime if you are not able to join us during the program, you can be able to go there and watch the program last. That's how it is. That's how it functions. Okay, so please keep on joining us on this program. I hope you're going to learn a lot of things from us once you join us. Okay, you're welcome back. Sorry for the, we have a limited time today because of internet. So
I'll call you later. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, bro.
So quickly just round up, because it might end at any time, because I have internet problem today. So whenever it ends, that's how the program ends for today. Yeah. So just quickly round up and
as I was saying, you shouldn't raise your shoulder on your fellow brother or sister.
Okay.
Everybody are equal. Let me use that language.
Yeah.
Nobody is, everybody are equal. That's why you see the white people, the way they do things, this African mentality is chopping us, is degrading us, it's taking us backwards. You see, this African mentality is degrading us, and it's taking us backward. You understand?
Okay.
So because you have been in this country for like a decade now, let me use that word, a decade now, and that person that you are raising shoulder, that person just come, it's not up to 1 or 2 years, you feel that you are better than that person, you feel that your level, but you don't know that maybe that person that is just coming in, and maybe that person might be your helper. They are kind of office, not they use that lens, not be by offer come. You understand? That person might be your helper. So in this life, you don't need to degrade anybody. You understand?
Okay.
You have to respect anybody that come across you. Give he or she that respect. You understand? Give he or she that respect. That idea of Namife come, it's not good. It's not helping at all. You understand?
Yeah.
That idea of Namife come. You understand? This one is living in the camp. I don't want to mingle with him. He's living in the camp. That kind of thing. It's not good. It's not helping us in this Europe at all. That's why you see most of our sister here now. They have been in this country. You said you have been in this country for 10 years. You have been in this country for 15 years. People that are just coming in. You as a girl, you say you have been in this country for 10 to 15 years. But to my surprise, bro, I find out that the people that are just coming now, that they want getting married. You understand? The people that just come in now, that they want getting married. You that said that you have been in this country for 10 to 15 years, no marriage for you. You have not even gotten one for yourself. You understand? So, bro, this thing is not helping us. Even this, it goes to our sister here. Let's leave the brother. It goes to our sister here, because they are the one that are always fond of this kind of thing. You understand? They always raise shoulder. It's not good.
Okay, so thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. We so much appreciate your contribution, and I know that people that have been following us have heard a lot of things and also learned a lot of things from you this night. So remember to join us on 1st of May when we'll be having our first guest on this program. I know you're going to learn a lot of things from him as well. So thank you so much for that wonderful contribution.
I greet you, bro. You're welcome.
Okay, now. Okay, now see you on Wednesday because we don't trust in. Okay, so that's how it has been going down since 9 o'clock till now. So in case the internet ends any moment from now, just know that that's how you have been able to hold on today. So join us on Wednesday as we'll be doing it in case I'm just announcing on Wednesday. We normally do it Wednesday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight and every Sunday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So that's how we will normally do. Join us every day on this program. You're going to learn a lot of things from us, okay? You have been seeing comments have been coming in here and there, and all these things have been happening